What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. This will be the third installment of taking apart my truck. If you are following the series of how to paint chrome bumpers and such, you will have seen my how to remove your grill and how to remove your front bumper thus far. So all that we have left, what we have next is to remove the rear bumper. Excuse Harper. No, I need this real quick. Alright, so as usual, you're going to need a pry tool, a flathead screwdriver, and a 15mm socket is all you're going to need to remove your rear bumper. So first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead, take off your license plate, because there are some clips and stuff you have to get behind the license plate. So now with the license plate off, you can see two push pin clips here, and then these are 15mm sockets. So we'll take those off and be right back with you. So the first thing you can go ahead and unattach is the trailering harness. Just push this clip in on top, and then all this will unplug. So then next, if you have parking sensors, right here is the parking sensor harness. So you just need to unplug that. And then the wiring harness itself will be all attached to the bumper. So there's nothing you're going to need to unclip once you unplug that. So you'll just need to unplug the wiring harness and then remove the light bulbs. Alright, so now with those clips out, you can go ahead and there's two 15mm bolts directly straight up from the exhaust tip. And then I'll have to cut my zip tie and move my electrical wires out from my light bar as well. But just those two 15mm bolts and the bumper's ready to come off. Alright guys, so I'm working at this bumper here. To get this top piece out, it's super easy. You just have these clips right here that I'm just using needle nose pliers and then pinching them and pushing it through these holes right here. It's hard to show with one hand, but then you're going to come to where your license plate light is at, and it's got a clip right there and a clip right there. So just made this discovery on this one. This is actually how it locks it in. So it was sitting like this here, and I actually just pulled out on this because it's not a full enclosed piece. Pulled up on it, and this fell right out. So just so you know, guys, when you're removing the light, just pull that piece of metal straight out and it will fall out. If you did not see it on my previous video on the front bumper one, if you're just looking to remove your back bumper, to get the parking sensors out, you just pry up on it like that, pull it up a little ways so it doesn't snap back in, and then get the other one out. So it'll come out like so, and then the other piece, it's got two push on the top, two push clips on the side. Push them both in, and it's going to push forward. So I'm going to go ahead and keep going ahead with this bumper, and if I run into any complications or anything I figure out, I will let you guys know. Alright guys, so if you've made it this far in the video and you followed all the steps, this is what you should be left with. Parking sensors are out, top piece is off. I just have it set up on stands just for recording purposes right now. I got to do a couple other things, but everything is ready to paint, and I'm so excited. Thank you guys for checking out all these videos, or if you've just checked out one of the videos, you know, if you just needed to replace your grill or just one bumper or whatever it may be, thank you so much for watching. Please check out the next video into this series, which is actually going to be how to prep and paint chrome. So if you like these videos, please give them a thumbs up. It means a lot. Subscribe for way more videos to come. So many plans moving forward with this truck. Until next time, when we start painting, peace.